Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the de Havilland Tiger Moth from Airfix. Now this, as you can tell by the box artwork, is the older version of the kit, which has been around for quite a few years now. I am aware that Airfix has produced a newer tooling to this kit. So this version may be available second hand or as part of clearances, but I'm not aware that they're currently still manufacturing this. A few years ago I went through a bit of a phase where I only liked making the models and not actually painting them or finishing them, and I found this in the garage and I decided to give it a finish. So it's finished in the RAF training yellow of the 1930s, and a lot of Spitfire and Hurricane pilots would have cut their teeth on this plane before moving on to the more advanced fighters. The model itself goes together fairly easily, with a little bit of wiggling and filling required in places due to the age of the design. Another thing worth noting is that the detail is a little bit sparse, but that again is a result of it being such an old model. From my memory, the model wasn't too difficult to build, and the overall finish is quite good for a beginner, as it's just one colour. The internal detail is very sparse. It's designed to have the pilot sitting inside the aircraft, and as a result there's no cockpit or internal gauges detail like that. The windscreen parts needed quite a bit of filing to get them to the right shape and then installing them on the model. But all in all, it wasn't a bad model to build and paint. I would like to see how it compares to the newer version, however. Let me know what you think of this build in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below and subscribe to my channel to see when the next video goes live. See you all again next time.